Thank you. Hello, and good morning. Today I've woken up in Ooty, and today I'm going to be exploring Ooty and Coonoor. First stop of the day would be a place called Avilanji. I love this place, man. Ooty. This is such a stark contrast to what I experienced in Mussoorie. It just felt like every corner was filled with tourists. This is still a tourist place, but the place is not swarming with tourists, if you know what I mean. Like, there are pockets where you will not find people. Sunset Point will not be dhakka mukki everywhere. It's beautiful. Avalanche. I'm headed in the right direction. But just look at the sky. Look at everything, man. I'm now crossing right by these tea fields, which I saw from a distance. Wow. I keep using wow a lot, I've realized. But I am wowed. There's no other way to describe how I felt. Just blown away by what you see. So much green. Right in the middle of the tea fields, exactly where I wanted to be. We have time for detours. The whole day is a detour.
day. circus of repeating clown, stood over and over the crowd, a chorus of repeating sound. Time will make the ugly lovely. Time will make the lovely ugly. So I'm leaving.
Came here for this view. Now I have to head back. It's cold here. Even with the sun, it's pretty cold. Hiya, Chinto Minto. This is the viewpoint. Babs Cloud. Babs Jabs, when did you open a resort here? Time to go. Okay. Next up, Coonoor. Oh my god, is that a... No, it's not a dead dog, thank god. Boy, girl, just find another spot, man. Ooty's 30, but I need to head towards Coonoor. I hope I'm on the correct path.
When the walls are caving in my head, faintly feel the pulsing
Coonoor is mostly like Ooty only. More or less looks like Ooty. Feels like Ooty. Have I reached? The Culinarium. This was a recommendation by a friend. Is it called something else now? RC 390.
Its rusty hooks in my skin. I breathe in. I breathe in.
After having a really nice late lunch at the Culinarium, I am now heading towards Lovedale station. See if we can catch that train passing by. Time is 4:37. Their apple pie was so amazing at the Culinarium that I ate one and then I got one parcel for the evening. So no matter what dinner I'm having, I have a sweet dish ready with me. Lovedale station. I'm making my way towards Ooty Valley viewpoint. See if we can actually catch the sunset. Just about 2 minutes away. Oh my god. This is a good viewpoint, but not great. Yeah, no, would recommend. Let's try the Ooty viewpoint. It was difficult finding this spot also, but my question is, I want to be from up there, which is where the map is also pointing. But this is a very steep incline. And I know the KTM can do it, but if I get stuck, I'll probably need help. Also, I can see a pipe, I think, which has been put there to discourage people from taking the vehicles. I think I'll just have to walk all the way up, because I can see the sunset starting somewhere. I don't know how much you can see in the dark. I had climbed all the way up across this side, and then I was somewhere there overlooking the entire city. Bloody hell, it's cold. I had to wear my helmet just so I could function and pack this tripod. Let there be light. Yes. Okay. Time to get the fuck out of here. I hope I didn't forget anything. They call it New Doda Beta Road, but it's in horrible condition. You will see. I don't know what's vibrating in the bike, but that's a problem for later. Front brake light switch. Don't tell me this is an ABS issue. Oh no. Yeah, I just figured one aux light lamp stopped working. By the way, that was the Ooty viewpoint on Google Maps. If any one of you are coming to Ooty and feeling adventurous, you can give it a shot. Never been glad to see so many people. Oh man. The place I'm staying is absolutely wonderful. Meraki Mason. All good. Warnings. Front brake light switch failure, contact dealer. Okay. Tomorrow.